The idea of having a portable barbecue, one that you can take to the beach or to the local park just for a picnic, is fantastic. But there hasn't been one on the market that's really done the job until now. I do remember quite vividly trying to do a barbecue on the beach on one of those little tinfoil trays that you can buy from the supermarket. But it's not really, up till now, been anything that's actually been able to perform the task that you want it to. So then thought, why can't we make the mini version that really is easy transportable and it's very compact? The Cube was born. This little thing looks really cool. If you undo these clips here, you've got this bamboo tray. And then in here, you can store paper plates or your cutlery, you can have your cooking utensils, you can also have your food. You can just put an ice pack in there. You've got the rack, which is a far cry from those disposable ones. Now inside, you've got this rack, which you put your fuel on. You've got a nice distance. You can build up a decent heat. You've got a double line wall with it, so that's going to act as a good protector. The distance between here and here is sufficient that the heat dissipates by the time it gets to the handles, so you can actually pick them up. And if you look underneath, this plaque here protects the surface you're putting the cube on from the direct heat from underneath the cube itself. You can just plonk it on a table and cook. It's very compact, it's very stylish. It's a barbecue that people, I think, would just love to have. It's very, very simple and looks very, very cool, yet could get very, very hot.